Hi and welcome to my new video. iOS 14 developer beta has been officially released and I will show you how to easily install it in just a few seconds. First, make sure that your device is supported. You can see the list of supported devices on the screen. Then you will need to download iOS 14 beta profile. Go to your web browser on your iPhone and go to this website. It is called betaprofiles.com. You can find link in the description. Scroll down a little bit and find iOS 14 profile and click on download. After that, a notification will pop up and make sure to accept it. Your profile is now downloaded. Now you just have to install iOS 14 in your settings. Go to settings and to profiles right under your avatar. Open it and hit install again, and the installation will begin. Make sure to back up all of your data before doing this. iOS 14 looks amazing. You have to try it out. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I am trying to get 1,000 subscribers. Thank you for your support.